Hey guys, can you solve 15 plus 5 times 2 minus 8 divided by 4? Okay, 15 plus 5 equals 20 times 2 minus 8 divided by 4. Right, now 20 times 2 equals 40 minus 8 divided by 4. Now 40 minus 8 equals 32 divided by 4, and 32 divided by 4 equals 8. This gives us 8, but this is wrong. Why it is wrong? Multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction. Now let's solve it correctly. So multiply first, right? So 15 plus 5 times 2 equals 10 minus 8 divided by 4. Now divide first. 15 plus 10, right, minus 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Now plus 15 plus 10 equals 25 minus 2, and 25 minus 2 equals 23.